There's nothing quite like it. Totally beguiling, totally beautiful. Rolling hills, the greens, the various shades of green, and buzz of insects, the hum of bees, butterflies dancing, birds chirping in the hedgerows, just entrancing. And rivers that wind through the fields, leaving Oxbow Lake sometimes, and the fish come up to grab a fly. No day was average because they were all so different, really. Country village. I suppose you think of picnics really, and summer teas, and spreading the travelling rug on the ground, and opening the hamper. And there's this hazy, hazy purple in the distance. I suppose you do get it in Scotland, but it's particularly amazing in the south of England in summer. I don't know that one had a plan, because each day simply unfolded, and magic just happened really, I suppose. You could call it rather quaint, really. But I am deeply glad to have been born an Englishman. I've travelled a lot, all over the continent, of course, no further than that. But somehow one's always so glad to come home. To this blessed land. Summer's night.
I gotta go there someday.